Hi, here am I, SeMi, and this is another episode of PUBG Lite Reverse Engineer. Today we are gonna do reverse engineer, compare reverse, sorry, and to upgrade our log browser tool. What we gonna do? Here we have call stacks of every write to the buffer for the packets, and here we have created a mapping of addresses. So like we have the start address, the end address, and function name. And with that, we can see that if address is between these two, it's changing its name. So we know what function it is. So we're gonna start to look for the one that we don't have yet, and this is the perfect example. We can go into IDA, we can check this. Okay, so this is serialized bits, and we actually have it. So we're just gonna do add the new object, okay, we will go to the assembly, yes, we'll copy the start address, now we will go for the end address, that is here, not here, here, this is the last. Okay, we can rebuild our tool, go inside the log again, and we're gonna see it. Like here, serialized bits. Okay, so we're going next. Here we have one function, we can copy its address, put it into IDA, look inside. Okay, so here we are serializing string, and we are calling it from the replicate actor. So like what this points exactly at. Okay, so we are calling serialized bits from it, and replicate actor is calling this. So we need to find this one, and it will be quite easy as far as I see. Yeah, this is the return address. Yes, so this is the call. Now we can go into the Lite engine, and we're gonna go inside actor channel, replicate actor. Okay, it will be searching. Okay, and we saw that function before. and it will be down there. Maybe not that low. Okay, I think I need to use the search. Serialize new actor. Okay. Yeah, it's here. So the function is new actor channel replicate new actor, and this is on serialize new actor. It's a actor, right? No, I will not see it. As I don't have the solution, I just opened the folder. This is the new workstation. I mean, I have new VM. I just configured it like an hour ago, so I don't have everything yet. So I need to do this like I can. New PL function hint. And this is a actor. Serialize new actor. Okay, and we can go inside. We can even, I don't think we can see that, but we can try to find it. Okay, let it go. And we can go inside here. Copy to assembly, yes. And this is the start. Okay, and this is the end address. Okay. So we can rebuild it. Load the setup packet. And it was here. Yeah, on serialize new actor. We can also save it inside IDA, so we will not miss it. This pointer, and the second one is punch. Okay. Okay, we can look only for it. Yeah, it is here, so I don't know. Oh, but we don't have. Oh, a player controller. Okay, yeah, that would be good. Okay, so we can go next to search for something new. Okay, here we have two unknown functions. So we can go inside and F object replicator replicate properties. Okay. Okay. So we can go the starting point. It's quite long. Okay, here it ends. Okay, so now we can check the second one. Okay, the second one is quite long. But we know it was called in here, right? This is that call. So we can mark it. Okay. And it's at quite the start, so it shouldn't be that hard. We can compare it. Right, we just need to find this beside the source code. And here it is. Okay, so fnet bit writer. It's here. Okay. The last one is rep flags. Okay, how much arguments? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and this pointer. One, two, three, four, five, 6, 7, and this pointer. Okay, I would say it's it. So we will see the writer, right? Yeah, fnet bit writer, so it matches. I don't have any doubts here. Frep layout, replicate properties. I would like the full name. Object replicator. Replicate properties. Yeah, but the frep layout, yeah. Okay. Okay, we can copy it. Function hint. Copy to assembly. starting point. Now we need to search for ending point. It's quite long. Replicate properties and P. Okay. So we have two more. Now we need again to reload it. Okay, now we can search for this one. Okay, so this is it. Here we have call. To serialize and pact. And this function is called by here we want to search for. And we are inside frep layout replicate properties. So we can go inside it. And that one might be tricky one. So it's after the right bit. It's quite long. We can search for this right bit and then we can try to match the rest of it. No, it's not that function. Okay. But we can search for something. Oh, here, rider. One, two, three, four, five, six. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. We can try to go inside, I think. Or not. It should be in the same class. Okay. Serialize, read, write, property checksum. Condition map. Okay, this one is tricky one. You can try to search for this if I think. What we have here with two arguments. Not too much, I guess. Okay. Zero, zero, zero. It should be it. With return false. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, I would say it is it. You can try to compare it. Okay, so segments, for loop. I would say this. It's it. Okay. Okay. So if it's not, is it called 2 times? Yes, okay. We can also try to match rest of the parameters. It would be much easier. Okay, rep state, rep change list state. Next is data. Yeah, we can make this object class owning channel, rider, and rep flux. Okay, what's inside file 8? It's at the start, and rep state, it's not this, or maybe. Rep state plus something. It could be data changed, temp, and rep state. 25 rep state. It could be this, possible new history index. Data. Yeah, but it would match. It would match. Data at the end, okay. Data at the end. Which one call have data at the end? It's data 1. Why it's data 1? Okay. Data at the end, okay. Okay. even not even one have data at the end. Okay, I think we will go to the next one. Okay. Maybe we'll see from this perspective. Okay, so now we are looking for the same one with data at the end. You can identify the rest of this. It's V8. V8 is rep state plus something. So might be rep flag. Okay. Next one. Okay, replicate properties. We can see now that this will call the serialized object. Okay, that's something. So here is the call to serialize object. And here okay, we don't have this. Next one. It's the same one. Oh my god. It's quite important then. It's only from maybe from here. Rep state as second argument. We can search for that. Rep state. This is first argument. First. Oh, sec. Oh. Maybe we have something from this. This one no. Also no. We have been there, and this is the same one. Oh my god. Okay, we can try to get as much as we can from this function, and that it will be all two arguments, rep state and something. Let's try that again. It's not this, but it looks like it, kinda. Yeah, it would be it. I would say 4 arguments. 1, 2, 3, and 4, yes. Okay, and we have it. This is the one. Okay. Rep state. This is change tracker. Data connection writer and changes. Okay. We have this one. Can go next. And return one. This is the owning channel connection. This is the connection. Next we have this if. Next we have this for loop. It should be this. Temp. Change history. Merge change list. Channel connection internal ACK nie jest równe 0, to wtedy wchodzimy tutaj, robimy to. W innym wypadku no to musi być to rep state change tracker data object class writer. It needs to be it. Okay. It would be the start address. address. Okay. Can now reload. Come on, come on. Can check the next one. And this would be probably the last one. Okay, so it's called from here. Okay, so we're looking at this. Okay, so we can go inside send properties. We can mark every parameter. Okay, so this pointer. Okay, that was better. Rep state. Next, changed tracker. Next, data. Next, object class. Writer and changed. Okay, I would say it's this function, but I'm not sure. This pointer plus writer is kind of right bit. No, it should be not. Maybe the get numbers. Yeah, I would say this, like there is. It's not that long. Here we are sending properties again. Yeah, but it should be it. If but object by object class. Maybe it's this is inlined. Like no, it's not. Yeah, but here at least we can see some calls. So serializing. From what it was? If from object class. Oh, here we don't have the object class, but object class was third argument b do checksum. No, it's not here. Okay. But it's not here as well. Yeah, I would say it's it. Okay, but that's all for today. Thank you for watching and see you next time.